wise also, because maybe in ml you are not convinced. Then let's check weight wise. I have put it on a weighing scale. I am switching it on, so it will tell the weight of this measuring cup. It's showing 0. Now I am filling first cycle. You can see 480, 484. I am dropping it again into the tank. We'll be taking second fill. You can see 487. Okay, maybe I have not emptied it properly. So let's try again. Okay, 487. So the first one was not proper, maybe because we took the break, we moved the nozzle to bring it on this body. So now 487 is the actual one. Still we will take 2 more fills. Emptied the material again into the tank. Make sure it's completely empty, and when you place it on the weighing scale it should show 0. Started filling again. You can see 484. So plus minus 2-3 gram. Okay, one more cycle will take. It's depend, because we are using the same container. Some product will remain inside sometimes. If we dry it completely, we get correct result every time. $45. So you can see this is hardly much difference. 484 to 487, it's 2-3 gram difference. But if you measure ml wise, it's almost same. If you put it on the label. Again emptying. Let's take one last cycle, then we'll move to the other functions. $483. So that's it. Now let's try with the auto mode. We are removing this part and we are going to mode reset, so we can use the mode auto. Now we'll load the recipe. We'll press the load. I think 5 seconds is enough to place and remove the bottle. If needed we can do 6, because we are demonstrating and we don't want material to fall down. Okay, now as soon as I press the start, the filling will start. Now let's see how it operates in the auto mode. Now I am not checking the ml, because I am not going to put one bottle again and again to the tank. So we are just checking the auto mode in this, because obviously, as I said, every time we need to maintain the tank level. Now let's operate the machine in the auto mode. We are pressing the start. दूसरा बोतल लेके रेडी रहे. ऊपर पकड़. Now this, as per this bottle, the speed should be little slower. So we are just diving the bottle manually up and down, so that material won't fall outside the bottle. The foaming will not occur. You can see after every fill, machine is waiting for 6 seconds and filling the next. If you don't put the new bottle, it will still fill, because we are not pressing the foot switch. And once you are done, you can press emergency or you can press stop. Now we have pressed the stop, so now machine won't operate any further. You can check. So this is the way we fill in the auto mode, and I also shown you the manual mode. We have also seen the accuracy. Now let's see the accuracy for little bigger volume, say 3000 ml. So we'll take a bigger container. Before that we'll just empty this again, and in this 3000 ml, as we want to see the accuracy, so again obviously we need to maintain the product level also, so we have to put the product again and again to the tank.